Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit photos on iPad. So first, adjust the attributes for a photo. To edit a photo, tap the edit link in the upper right corner of the screen. The adjustment option will be selected by default, which is the first icon on the bottom toolbar. Tap the auto button in the center to automatically adjust your photo's exposure, brilliance, and other attributes. You can then adjust everything at once by moving the slider bar to the right or left. Remove changes made by Auto Enhance by tapping the undo icon at the top of the screen. To bring back the change, tap the red dot icon at the top. Add a filter to a photo. Next to the adjustment icon on the bottom toolbar is the filter icon. Tap that icon and check out the different filters, including original, vivid, vivid warm, vivid cool, dramatic, dramatic warm, dramatic cool, mono, silver tone, and noir. Adjust the slider bar for each filter in order to increase or decrease its intensity. Then, crop a photo. The last option on the bottom toolbar is the crop icon. Select it to crop the image by dragging the highlighted corners until only what you want to keep is visible. Directly below the image are three icons that allows you to tilt the image, change the vertical perspective, and change the horizontal perspective. After selecting an icon, drag the slider bar to the left or right. Then, change the orientation and aspect ratio. You can flip the image horizontally by tapping the triangle icon in the upper left corner or tap the square icon to rotate the image. Tap the segment square icon in the top right corner to change the aspect ratio of the image. Choose between original, freeform, square, or wallpaper to set the shape of the image. You can also choose the rectangle or square icon at the bottom of the screen to switch between portrait and landscape. Tap Done to make the changes stick. Even if you save your changes, you can revert the image back to the original. Just tap Edit or Revert. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.